Yo, what's good? Ra here. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing pretty good. It's a Monday. Just got out of work. But lately I've been driving the Prelude pretty often. Since I've lowered it on coilovers and got the new wheels, I've been, joyriding and, enjoying the car more than I have ever been with the Prelude. But yeah, and I like the way it looks too. Like, got people actually breaking necks to check out the car, like giving longer stares. People are asking about it. People are complimenting on it. I haven't have yet to have someone say something bad about it because I feel like the wheel color is not for everyone, but I think it's great. And yeah, I've been liking the way it looks recently. But with those wheels being on, I feel like I want to do more to the car in terms of like modifications, like for looks. And today, lately I've been thinking about getting a new lip for the Prelude, for the front bumper lip. I've looked around and I've seen people would use like a lip parts from a 94 to 95 Honda Accord, an old Mazda 626. For my generation of the Prelude, they would get lips from the same generation of the Integra and try to fit them on, and they look great, but they're a bit, I guess, pricey for me as of right now. I mean, not so pricey, but for now, I want to test fit. I want to see what I can do for cheap. And guess what I got? I got the Easy Lip. Well, I got a generic brand on Amazon of the Easy Lip, and here it is. Just comes in how it is with 3M. I believe it's like 8 feet of this, so I'm gonna try and go ahead and get to work on putting this Easy Lip thing on the Prelude, and hopefully it stays on. Hopefully it looks nice. But I'm gonna show you guys the before and after of how the car comes out. So yeah, hopefully it stays on and I can enjoy this $7 lip on the Prelude. Waiting on this dude Devin, taking long as shit. Zip code Devin. fuck take you so long?
Yo. My bad, man.
Damn.
My bad, man. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry.
Damn.
Sorry.
What was it?
Now.
I
had to talk to my dad.
What happened? Y'all good?
Yeah, we good. I just had to talk to him. Sexy, man.
Give me a bit of a drive.
What up, y'all? Today is Pera's vlog day.
Pera's vlog day, huh?
November 3rd?
3rd, yeah, it is 3rd.
November 3rd. We are going to eat pho.
No, we ate ramen, yo.
Oh, ramen.
Yeah.
Ramen. Down Doylestown?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Straight to spot. I don't like...
Appreciate this guy, man. I really do. Look at the sun. It's nice out. Shit bright as shit.
It's like...
Bright as shit outside. Goddamn. The fucking sun is killing me.
It's your visor.
Crazy guy. What up, y'all? It's your boy Dev.
Yo.
And Ara.
Yo, what's good?
Yeah, what's good, guys?
Just had some ramen with my boy. I showed him what's it called? Kung Fu restaurant.
Kung Fu restaurant.
In Doylestown. I didn't get a chance to document it, but yeah.
It was pretty good though.
This was alright. We both had chicken ramen. They were out of pork belly, and I already had the beef short rib ramen. So
I didn't really like the dumplings.
the dumplings, yeah.
I
I feel like
ate most of it though. I had like 2 dumplings. He had like 4. Big body.
That's you. Oh shit! I didn't realize. From the hurricane.
Tornado? You said hurricane.
My bad, yeah, tornado.
Tornado.
They're like droppings.
From what?
I don't know, like dookies, but it's not.
Like a little piece of shit.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I've been seeing you shine like the night of the dawn in your heart. I've been seeing you shine like me in the arm. Shine like the night.
Damn, fresh. I'm fresh today. These are nice. These are the easy analogs, and I swapped it with like blue laces.
Damn, Daniel. Back at it again with the right shit.
B-roll.
Hey.